Yes, hi Meenu, welcome in.
Yeah, hi everybody. Uh, yeah. So I've known Smriti since 5 years now, and it's been a beautiful journey with her. So my best friend is forever is Smriti herself. Yeah, and so I when I started my journey with her, I was like a box of being a victim, and just coming from simple housewife, just not good enough for myself, and was not even a confident to talk even today. No way. I was always short of words. And uh, 2 years back, I started a mentoring with her, and within, I think, 5 days, my brand had started straight away.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, so yeah, within 5 days I was out with Mana's kitchen.
Amazing.
Yeah, and the way she nudged me, the way she uh, you know pampered me, the way she loved me to, and I was not confident even about my cooking. Today, after 2 years, I am to start my own brand, and I'm looking up
Wow.
to have my own app also as Manna's Kitchen.
Wow. Really. Sriti's clapping for you. I'm clapping for you as well. How fantastic.
Yes, yes,
And all of this started with working with Smriti.
yes. And I acknowledge, I mean, I'm just getting goosebumps because I was not prepared for this. It's just flowing right now. And the way she made me committed, the way she brought challenges in my life, and every challenge I outcreated myself, she empowered me, and she walked with me. It was not that just being there, she was walking with me. She was living that, in fact. So yeah, I'm so grateful to Smriti for walking this path with me. And it's not only about cooking. She empowered me to facilitate, be a practitioner, to heal others.
Wow.
And I don't even heal people now, but it has healed my family too. I mean, my children, they are abroad, and the way they have created for themselves, they are just thriving in money themselves.
Amazing.
So
Amazing.
yeah, so I
Manna has set up two businesses, let me tell you this. From being somebody who couldn't think of being a businesswoman, she's now running two businesses.
Wow. Wow.
yeah,
And when she was getting emotional in between while talking about the entire thing. We feel you, really, we feel you. And the fact that you said you weren't even confident about your cooking, you opened Manna's kitchen. How amazing is that? How
yeah.
amazing is that?
So every time I cook, uh, I sense Smriti's energy with me cooking.
Oh, how fabulous.
So she's always there with me. She is
Right.
like, yeah. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to have Money as my best friend, but Smriti as a bigger and best friend ever. Yes. So it's not that she is a facilitator only.
Right.
Whenever she works, when I also started with her, I never felt that she's just facilitating me, but she was really a true friend with me. And so yeah, I am so grateful for
I'm
this.
so glad you brought that up, Manna. I've never worked with Smriti before, but I got a glimpse of exactly that yesterday. That she's there for you, no matter what. Smriti knows what I'm talking about. We've gone up and down a little bit with that. I did get a glimpse of that, and this is before I've even gotten onto a call with Smriti with work or with anything. I did say that yesterday, and Smriti, I was in fact actually going to bring it up today at some point thanking you for yesterday. Mana said it, so I'm using this opportunity right here. And by the way,
My good fortune.
both of
My good
you,
fortune.
both of you look like you matched your outfits. You're like in complimentary blue and white.
Yeah, so true, so true. And yeah, I'm out of my being a victim. I don't see that energy anymore in me.
And we can see that. It's so amazing. Look at your lovely smile. And Smriti, Mana is like bubbling over. She's so happy and enthusiastic and energetic. And thank you, Mana, for coming on and sharing this. Smriti, is there anything you'd like to say?
Well, I would like to say that this is everybody's potential. Just like I have created so much abundance in my life from being at a point where I had nothing and I was in negative, in fact. And then, like Mana, who had no idea that she could, create something like this and stand in her own right and be financially independent, having lived, being dependent for money, it's okay. I mean, it's always okay to receive money from family, from spouse, from all of that. But it's another sense of joy when you're empowered to create your own money. Why not if you have? And in the bargain of creating money, what occurs is, and this is what I actually do workshops for, it's not so much the creation of money. It is who you become in the process of creating money in your life. Because to create that money in your life, you need to tap into your talents, your abilities, your capacities. And you hadn't even looked at that till that need came up that you needed money or whatever. So the fact is that when we are in the process of creating money, we are uncovering the gift that we are. So whether you are receiving money by working, whether you're receiving money by, receiving from family and all of that, the journey of creating money, whether directly or indirectly, will enable us to tap into who we truly are. And that empowerment is really the true gift. The money is side effect, very honestly. So today, because Mana, Rohini, and many other people who have either done workshops or done coaching programs or a combination of both, what I feel very grateful for is to see them blossom as people in that process of making money. So money may begin as the objective, but who you become in the bargain is priceless.